Cochlear implant is one of the latest technologies to alleviate the problem of severe deafness and deaf mutism in children. These unfortunate children have now a glimmer of hope. With cochlear implant, they can take their rightful place in the world and intermingle with normal children and go to a normal school. So cochlear implant is one of the most humane and modern technique that the ENT department has attained over the last 2 decades.
Hearing impairment is a very important thing, ideally in every individual. But I will talk about the old individuals. In India, the old age is a very bad thing in the form that nobody takes care of the old human beings. And it is expected that this patient has become old, then he will not hear. Most of the patient hearing aid is very good. But if the patient has very much hearing loss, means more than 80% of the hearing is gone, then the cochlear implant is advised.
Hello, cochlear implant has given new life to deaf children. Before this, they were only talking with the sign or not being integrated into the normal school. We in Sir Ganga Ram Hospital, we brought in 2001 this technology thanks to Ganga Ram management, and since then last 20 years these children have learned and developed their speech and language and now integrated to normal school. There is a lot more to do, not only the surgery which is the beginning of it, followed by the continuous process of audiological support, rehabilitation support and take care and maintenance of our processor. We had been doing it for last 19 years and this is our 19th annual conference where we are going to showcase in 2 decades how these children are performing, how they are talking and what they are doing. It's a great experience for everyone to know that what a blessing in disguise this technology is and how Ganga Ram Hospital is always in forefront. We are also starting here the educational program of habilitation for the rehabilitation to take it forward. Thank you.
We are celebrating our 2 decades of hearing miracle here at Sir Ganga Ram Hospital. It has been an absolute pleasure from the first cochlear implant surgery done in 2001 to date, with 2,500 surgeries completed without any complications. And it has been such a pleasure to see these young children, these babies whom we are operating upon, becoming these young confident adults, going to school, college and now working in the corporate sector and everywhere else and becoming useful members of society and giving back to society.